So here's how you can clear cache on the iPhone Chrome browser. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So you get inside of the Google Chrome and you have some options on how you can proceed. So naturally you can tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the interface and we can see some options. Obviously you can go deeper into the settings, but the option what I want you to click on is called delete browsing data. So when you click on this, naturally you might think that this applies to the history of browsing, which it is kind of true. But when you click on the browsing data selection, you get to basically decide what exactly you want to be deleting or clearing, right? So if you want to keep on the tabs being open and the browsing history intact, you can uncheck those and only delete or clear cookies, site data, cached images, and files. So it's going to show you and tell you how much data is actually being stored in that category, but you can still decide to select that, choose the time range, probably all the time, or it is up to you, of course. But then once you confirm the deletion of the data, the cached files or whatever else was part of that will be removed and it will be gone from the device. So it can free up some storage, depends on how much you're using the Chrome browser and how much cached data has been accumulated. So, it might be more helpful for some than for others, but that is the general guide on how it could work. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in future videos as well.